Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, and now once again we're back with another accessory video for the iPad Air 5th generation, and we're back with another keyboard case for the iPad Air 5th generation, and this is another keyboard case from RAYMCRAFT, but in particular this is a keyboard only case. Now the other case that we took a look at was the keyboard and mouse combo. This particular case right here is just the keyboard case. Alright? So let's dive into it. Let's see what it's all about. Let's start the review process on this one. And once again, as you guys and gals heard from the intro, this is another product brought to the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So yes, this particular video coverage will be delayed yet again because I have to use it and then write up and submit a full written review to be published on Amazon before I can get into the video coverage. Alright, it just is what it is. That's how things go. But let's get through the unboxing. Let's get through the first impressions so we can start the overall review process. Now, talking about the overall packaging and presentation, this is another product that is really nicely packaged. RAYMCRAFT yet again has done a great job here. So once again, we got a nice visual of the product and the orientation or ways we can use it. We got some really nice company branding with a really nice big lettering. Good stuff there. Along the side, we have all the languages that this can be used in right here. So really good stuff there. And then along this side, we have the different colors that this keyboard case comes in. All right. Then along the back, similar to the other one, we have how to set it up and pair it with your iPad, and in particular, what iPads is compatible with. Now, these are the newer ones, but it is also compatible with my iPad 5th gen, which is the M1 iPad, so it should work with my iPad no problems. Okay, and then it gives you some hotkey shortcuts as well. Really good stuff there as well. Nice. Alright, so overall, really nice packaging here. I like that a lot. I think this one opens from the bottom here. So we can go ahead and open this up. The other one opened from the top, so kind of caught me by surprise there, but it is what it is. So let's see. And yay, once again, we got the dark blue for this case as well. Nothing else in the box. We could check that together. Nothing else in there. Let me throw this off to the side. Okay. And let's check this out. So it does come in a very nice sleeve. Pulling out the sleeve here. Yeah, this is basically the same color as the other one. So a nice dark blue, which is my favorite dark blue. Really nice. And this one opens up a little differently. But there we have it. Keyboard on the inside. Nice little insert for protection. And silica gel. Pop that out of there. Okay. Oh, and now this one has that smooth material on the inside as opposed to that matte rubber material. So a little bit of a difference there. And this one can be rotated 360 degrees. So you can use your tablet in landscape mode orientation or portrait mode orientation. So really, really nice there. Really, really nice indeed. And it does look like it has some protective tape here that I have to peel off. So we'll go ahead and peel that off now. Don't really like the protective materials. So, oh, did I mess it up? I sure did. Okay. Still grabbed it good. And there we go. Pull that right off. Yeah, so this one is more of a glossy slip material as opposed to the other case was like a silicone texturized matte material, and it had that shock absorption pattern. This one is more smooth, so I don't think this one will be as protective, but we will see. And then we have the similar keyboard inside of its protective plastic. Now this one is color matched to the case exactly. The other one that we looked at was color matched to the case, but it also had the off-white keys. This one, everything is dark blue, okay? And then as with the other one, we do get our user manual in here as well. Throw that off to the side. But yeah, this looks really, really good. Really, really good. Same connection, so Bluetooth connection, same as the other one. Basically the same layout, the only difference is the color. Okay, and you do get all of your instructions on the back here as well. Really, really nice. And because it's magnetic, it magnetizes into the inside, so you can line this up and it magnetizes down. And then also, it is fully adjustable. So if I want to move the keyboard down, I can position my iPad here and get all the angles. So we got one angle there, we got one angle here all the way through, and because this is 360 degree rotatable, we can also do it in the other orientation, which is right here. So really, really nice. And we also get those same angles here in portrait mode orientation as well. Really, really good stuff there indeed. Alright, so now what I want to do real quickly here is I just want to put my tablet in here. Then I'm going to pair the keyboard up, and I'm going to come back and give you guys and gals my overall first impressions of this keyboard case right here. Okay, so give me a little bit. I'll be right back with the first impressions, and then we'll wrap the video up for everyone. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so we're back, and I just wanted to show y'all, this is basically the same as the other keyboard case. Let me angle this up for y'all. So basically, you turn it on, you hit the connect button, you go into Bluetooth, you turn your Bluetooth on your iPad, and then you should see it. This one also says Bluetooth keyboard. Then you tap on it, and then you hit pair, and it connects right up. So it timed out, so I got to do it again. So we're going to hit connect. Okay. And this should be it right here. Okay. And it should give me that pairing confirmation. Alright. Okay. Got to do it again. So we're going to toggle this. Okay. And it pops up right there. And there we go. Now it should connect. Do you want to pair? We're going to hit pair. And it's connected right up. Okay. So that's essentially how you do it. I had to redo it because I let it time out on me. But that's essentially how you connect it up to your iPad. And then once again, this is another backlit keyboard as well. Alright, the only difference between this one and the other one that we took a look at, aside from the exact color matching and the backlit keyboard LEDs, is this one doesn't come with a mouse, right? So you're going to have to use your iPad with your hands and then type when you need to. Or if you want to use the keyboard shortcuts to navigate around your iPad, that's what you're going to have to use. Other than that, you can also connect up a third-party mouse. So if you have a favorite mouse that you like to use and you didn't want to get one with a mouse because maybe you wanted to save some money, you could do that as well. Alright? But other than that, this is basically the same as the other one. We also get a nice little slot for our Apple Pencil right there, which is really, really nice. And this one is a little bit more compact, which is something that I'm interested in trying out because I'm looking for a portable but also comfortable setup that I can use. And of course, like I told y'all in my last video, I really do like that laptop setup. Okay? So not just for work, but also for casual usage, I prefer to have that laptop setup. So this is going to be really, really nice. Okay? And then to change the orientation, it's very, very simple. You just pick it up and you rotate it. And that's pretty much it. And that changes your orientation. And then if I want to readjust the keyboard here, because maybe I want to get a deeper orientation, we just slide the keyboard down. Y'all see it? I got all these grooves to choose from. So I could drop it in here. I could drop it in here. And we're good to go. So whether I want to use this in landscape mode orientation like you guys and gals saw, or portrait mode orientation like this, I could do it either way. And then also, because this is a magnetic attached keyboard, if I just want to pull the keyboard out and turn it off, okay, and leave the keyboard at the house, and maybe I just want to leave the house with just the case and my iPad, I can do that. So we can just rotate them around, slap them down, and we are ready to go. And I'm gone. I could leave the house just like this if I want to, and we'll be good to go. Or if I wanted to bring the keyboard, I can put the keyboard in, and because of how the case has a nice raised lip, we can put the keyboard in. It magnetizes down, just like that. And then we close them up. And now I have my keyboard, tablet, a nice protective case, all in one, and I can bounce out, just like this. So the possibilities are basically endless with this. They're basically endless, right? So it really just depends on how I want to leave my house for whatever type of work I'm doing or whatever I'm going to be doing on any one particular day. Maybe I want to use the keyboard case with the mouse. Maybe I just want to rock with just the keyboard case itself. Or maybe I just want to rock with just the case. The possibilities now are endless. Okay? Endless. And now, similar to what I did with the last video, I will also go ahead and throw up some B-roll in the video and post, letting y'all see all the pricing and availability and the colors. Okay? Because this did come into the channel free of charge thanks to the Amazon Vine program. But I still want to do my due diligence and show y'all all of the current availability in terms of pricing. And all of the affiliated buy links will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So if you like what y'all saw in this video and you want to go make a purchase, if you do so using the affiliate buy links located down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links located down below in the video description a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. That being said, guys and gals, that does it for today's video. This video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the iPhone 15 Plus. This was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and I do have external audio hooked up. So all the audio for today's video was recorded using my Comica microphone. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality, as well as the lighting, down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. This is another case that I'm going to use for about a week, and then I'm going to come back and give y'all my thoughts and opinions on it and let you guys and gals know if this one is worth picking up as well. So I'll see you guys and gals in a week, and I'm going to really put this bad boy through its paces like I did with the other one and come back and let you know if it's worth picking up. Alright, have a good one, everyone. Catch you guys and gals on the next one. We are out of here. Peace.